Just a little late across the Alabama line, but I was king of the ocean when Daddy let me drive. Just an old half-ton short bed Ford my uncle bought new in '64. Daddy got it right, cause the engine was smoking, couple of burnt valves, and he had it going. He let me drive her, we'd haul off a load down a dirt strip where we'd dump trash off the thick